Buying rugby tickets. Let's get started. Hey Frankie, are you going to watch the rugby matches with your family?
Oh yes. How do you know?
I've read your posts in the social media platform last year. You dressed up in costume and chanted the team names happily.
Right. I sometimes travel to watch the matches with my family.
Why do you choose to watch rugby matches overseas?
I'm a super fan of rugby teams. It's actually more than a sporting event for me.
More than a sporting event. What do you mean?
I can bring in great fun during the whole event.
Really? How can you do this?
When I plan a trip to watch the matches, I'll also explore the sightseeing attractions in the city.
Good. You can kill two birds with one stone.
Exactly. If there are some exciting spots in the surrounding areas, I'll add them into my bucket list.
Awesome. Did you come across any unforgettable holiday?
Yes. When I planned a visit, I tried to discover the unmissable activities at the same time.
It's so smart of you.
I could find some great activities via the official travel website of the city.
Were they the must-see places?
They were highly recommended. Some of the activities were held at the same period of the rugby event.
That would be fantastic.
Most importantly, I could indulge in the local cuisine as well.
How did you feel about the dining experiences?
They were exceptional.
Whenever I watched rugby match on the television, I was impressed by the carnival-like atmosphere.
It's an amazing party.
The spectators sang and danced while eating pizzas and drinking beers.
You can feel the buzz of the crowd only if you join the party at the stadium.
Oh really?
If you want excitement, you should come with me to watch the matches next time.
Let me think about it. I also like your hilarious dress posted in the social media platform.
Thank you so much. I followed the tradition and dressed up in crazy outfit each time.
Were they the cartoon characters?
Oh yes. They were the funny chicken and cow.
Have you already bought the rugby ticket?
Yes, I've bought the tickets online. I'm so excited for the coming event.
Will you go with your family?
Of course. I was a regular at those similar events. I would like to bring my wife and children to enjoy the great event together.
Can you show me the tickets?
Yes. I've already downloaded the digital tickets in my mobile phone. Please take a look.
They look nice. Will you collect the physical tickets?
All the tickets are in digital format now.
Oh really? How will you enter the stadium?
I'll bring my mobile phone and show the QR code for scanning at the entrance. It's so convenient and straightforward.
Let me see. I cannot spot the QR code in your ticket now.
QR code will only appear on the digital ticket on the event date.
Not now. Why?
According to the organizer, it's an added security measure.
I cannot get your point.
Such measure can keep the ticket safe and secure before the kickstart of the match.
Do you mean if your mobile phone is stolen?
Right. If someone steals my mobile phone before the match, the theft cannot get my digital tickets.
I got it. It's useless because the theft cannot capture the screen.
Correct. The QR code has not been displayed on the digital ticket yet. It can prevent fraud. Hence, the digital ticket with QR code is safe to use with increased convenience.
The use of technology can solve the loophole of old problem.
It can also reduce counterfeit tickets.
The matches last for several days. Which day are you going to join the event?
I've purchased a 3-day pass for 2 adults and 2 children.
Wow, 3 days. Are you sure that you can make it?
Yes. My sons are the super fans of rugby. They must be excited when watching the matches.
Will they get bored for the 3-day event?
Well, I do not think so. The organizer has arranged some activities for the kids.
What are they?
There will be a kid zone for face painting and mascots. I think there will be so much fun for my children.
It's cool.
Even if I cannot make it on certain day, I can transfer my digital tickets to my friends and relatives conveniently.
Can it be done in a minute?
Of course. As they are digital tickets, I can use the transfer function to transfer the digital tickets via the ticketing mobile application.
I can't believe it. It's so flexible.
The digital tickets provide me much flexibility. It's the reason why I bought a 3-day pass.
You can transfer the digital tickets even in last minute.
Exactly. That's the key point.
Hey, how's your plan? Will you arrive early to get your seat on the first day?
Definitely. As my tickets are free seating, I'll get the preferred seats with my family.
It must be a hot day. Please remember to bring some drinks for your children.
According to the rules of the stadium, spectators should not bring any bottled or canned drinks into the stadium.
Why not?
It's related to the public safety. I'll buy the drinks in the stadium instead.
Okay. It makes sense. Hope you enjoy the coming event.
Please come and join me next time.
I'll wait for your new posts in the social media platform.
There are also different live entertainments which would create many memorable moments for you.
Great. I'll definitely consider it next time. Please let me know the schedule of other matches. Talk to you soon.
Fantastic. See you next time.